Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix your blurry wallpaper on Windows 11. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Here are some steps to fix the blurry wallpaper issue on Windows 11. First, you need to check wallpaper setting. To do that, you just right click on the desktop and go to personalize, that is the last option. And choose the background option here, just tap on it. And you can see these are the images I used for this one, and make sure choose the high quality image. As an example, I would like to this image, just select this one. Then after, there is option called choose the fit for your desktop image. Make sure it is changed to fill option. If you can't find fill, you can use fit also. So you can choose the background color if the image is not fit to your screen.